I got 2 Royal Enfields.
Previously, I've got 3 Thunderbirds.
मेरे पास रॉयल एनफील्ड 350 सिग्नल्स है।
मैं 2009 से राइड कर रहा हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड।
Royal Enfield I'm riding from last past 7 to 8 years.
अभी उसको हो गया 2 महीना।
I've been riding since 3 years.
I'm taking the delivery of my third one.
So this is my third bike.
Now this is a new one, Interceptor, which I'm riding.
जब मैं पहले स्टोर पे गया था तो वहाँ पर मुझे थोड़ा अटेंशन का थोड़ा कमी लगा।
You need that welcome, you need that positive energy as you enter the store.
सो उन लोगों ने मुझे ऑप्शंस नहीं दिए अच्छे वाले कि आप ये ट्राई कीजिए सर, ये ट्राई कीजिए। उन लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ मुझे बताया नहीं।
They just behind us कि बाबा आपको क्या चाहिए, you just pay that amount and we will see. It was a very negative feeling to me.
मैंने ट्रायल के लिए खुद से 2-3 बार उन लोगों को बोला तो उन लोगों ने मुझे ट्रायल दिया, लेकिन ट्रायल में मुझे कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आया, क्योंकि वो जब आप बाइक के बारे में आपको समझाएंगे नहीं कि क्या इसमें बेस्ट है, क्या अलग है। सो दोनों बाइक्स में मुझे डिफरेंस समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था।
Then I went to another store. As I entered the store, they greeted me well. I sat. They asked me for a tea or coffee, and I told them what is my needs and all.
They were quite helpful. They provided all the supports, and there were some issues which I was having, and they have clarified each and everything.
Whenever I go there, everybody comes to me and they talk very nicely. Like they offer me water, coffee, tea. अच्छा लगता है, तो I feel good to be there. Like
In this showroom, I have been with 3 managers. All the 3 managers have been good.
They are very product savvy and they make sure that everyone is taken care of.
They made me feel like I'm a part of Royal Enfield itself.
I took a test ride of Electra and then they offer me Classic also.
When you go for a test ride, you have to give your license. Then I have to fill some form for it, and they gave me an helmet. And they asked me before that, ki if you're going for off-road, so gave me that bike also. So I have to go a little bit far, where there is a bumpy ride and all, and the bike which I need for the daily community, like a normal bike where I can ride in a city. So they give me that also.
It's a new bike. They always let us know the features. Okay, this has this and this has this and all. And then it's up to you when you take a ride to feel the bike, what experience you feel, and whether you're comfortable, not comfortable, whether the bike has the power, whatever. Anyway, is it comfortable and all.
20 minutes each bike, and I took a test ride. It was like my 90% I was clear that which bike I want to buy.
If I have to give a rating for this showroom, I would give them 10 on 10.
I'm happy.
Ari rocks.